In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix any high ping issues in Marvel Rivals. So if you're experiencing high ping spikes or any latency or network issues, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to fix this. Now, the first thing you need to do is just make sure you're connected to the correct server. So just before you launch into a match, you'll see this server list in the top right hand side. So go ahead and click on this, and you want to make sure you have checked the closest and the fastest server to your location. So for me, that's going to be Frankfurt at the top here. And I'm actually just going to uncheck any of these other options and press confirm. Once you've ensured that you're connected to the closest region to yourself, then we're just going to head over to our desktop. Now what you need to do from here is come over to the start menu and just search for control panel. And then we're going to click on the control panel window. Make sure you have view by set to large icons and then select network and sharing center. From the left-hand side, click Change Adapter Settings, and now from this list, you need to locate your Wi-Fi or network connection. Mine's this Wi-Fi one over here, so I'm going to right-click on this and select Properties. Then you're just going to come down to Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. And we're going to change where it says Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. In these two boxes, you need to type in 1111 and 1001, and then you can press OK to save and press Close to exit out of this window. Now once you've done that, we're going to head back over to the Start menu and search for CMD, and then you need to right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. And once you've done that, you can then launch back up Marvel Rivals and check to see if that's resolved your high ping issue. Now, if that's still not working, the final thing we can do is head over to the Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Network and Internet. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Network Reset, and then just press this Reset Now button. Once you've reset your network connection, you may need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi by entering in the password. And it's also a good idea to reset your router at this point in time as well. And then once again, you can check to see if that solved your issue. If you are still experiencing any high ping, then the best thing to do at this point would be to connect your computer to an Ethernet cable. This is what most professional gamers use, and it's basically a cable that runs from your computer to your router, and it will ensure the strongest and most stable connection possible. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.